Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset via settings on OPPO A5m. Let's begin. It's a really straightforward process. You want to head into your settings, then you want to scroll all the way down. Go into System and Updates, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and erase all data. Of course, you probably want to go with Backup and Migrate before you do that, but let's save that for another video, which is probably on our channel, so if you're interested in that, make sure to check it out. Now you simply go with erase all data. You want to input your current password and simply hit clear. Let's hit clear once again. And the process of factory reset has been done. And soon, after a few minutes, we'll be going through the setup. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.